Hello, you have no doubt seen the vast number of walking tours in Charleston, and you're wondering why Chucktown Tours? What sets Chucktown Tours apart is the perfect blend of captivating storytelling and expert guides that breathe life into the pages of history. Our guides are historians, passionate storytellers who transport you back in time with amazing stories, anecdotes, and little-known facts that make the past come alive. Chucktown Tours takes you beyond the well-trodden paths, unveiling hidden gems and untold stories that paint a more comprehensive picture of Charleston's unique history. From the cobblestone streets of the French Quarter to the stately antebellum mansions, every step with Chucktown Tours is a step into the heart of Charleston's early history. So, whether you're a history buff, architecture enthusiast, or simply curious about the city's vibrant past, Chucktown Tours offers an engaging experience for everyone. Choose Chucktown Tours for an unforgettable journey through time, where we make the spirit of Charleston's history come to life.